Hello student, good morning to everyone. Class 6, subject math, chapter 7. The name of the chapter is simplification. Okay student, today our topic is use of brackets. You already know and I taught regarding the bracket. But now I am going to revise once again. Brackets are used to separate different parts of an expression. An expression is given, on that time brackets we have to use. नाउ वाइल सिंप्लीफाइंग द एक्सप्रेशन, जब हम लोग एक्सप्रेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, द ऑर्डर ऑफ सिंप्लीफाइंग द ब्रैकेट्स इज लाइक दिस. सो फर्स्ट इज बार ब्रैकेट. ओके, सो सिंबल ऑफ बार ब्रैकेट इज दिस वन, दिस इज द सिंबल. सेकेंड इज स्मॉल ब्रैकेट. सो सिंबल ऑफ स्मॉल ब्रैकेट इज लाइक दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ द स्मॉल ब्रैकेट. सो नाउ थर्ड इज ब्रेसेस और curly bracket. So symbol of the this one bracket is like this is the curly bracket. Okay, now fourth is square or big bracket. So symbol is like this one is the big bracket. So you know already. Okay, now note, for simplifying the expression we must proceed according to flow chart which is given below. So this flow chart is very useful for you. If you will be keep it in mind, on that time we have to use at the time of doing the question or exercises. Now so see here, now let us see the flow chart. Here is bar. Suppose in the question is given bar, so on that time you have to use first of all bar. Okay, we have to remove the bar. Now second is bracket. If the bracket is given, then we have to solve the bracket parts. Okay, now this one is off. Off means after brackets, maybe in the question off is given, on that time we have to use off. In the place of off we have to use the multiply sign. Okay student, now after of division, in the question is given division, on that time you have to solve the division part. Now after this multiplication, and multiplication is here. Okay, so now we can use after division multiplication part, and then after multiplication then addition, we have to do the addition part. And now last one is subtraction. After addition we have to do last moment or solve subtraction. Now this flow chart I am going to use the one question I am doing on the basis of this one. Now let's see question. Okay student, now exercise 7.1. Question first, simplify. First question is 108 divided by 36. Here is off, and 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 into 3 1 by 4. So here is bar bracket is not given. Okay student, so now leave it. Now here bracket is also not given. Okay, so now leave it. Now off is given, so write here solution 108 divided by 36. In the place of off, I here write here you write multiply sign and then 1 by 4, then plus sign is given plus, then 2 upon 5. Okay student, now you change into, this is in the improper fraction because this is the mixed fraction. 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 4. So we can write like this. Now after this we have to see, here is 4, here is 36 because this is the off part. So 4 9 ja 36. Similarly we can reduce here or simplify here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So after this you go in the second step. Now 108 write as it is, and then write 9 divide sign, then plus, here is 1 upon 4 and then 13 upon 2. Now here is not possible to reduce, here is not possible to reduce, but here 108 divided by 9, 12 times, 12 9 ja 108. Okay, now after this you put plus sign, then 1 by, here see now 13 1 ja 13, 5 2 ja 10, so 13 upon 10. Now here is 1 is hiding, so we can write here 1 because I want to show the denominator. I want to find out the LCM. So what is the LCM of 1 and 10? So LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. Now we have to make the like fraction. Here is 1. By what number you have to multiply? In the 1 you get 10. So maybe your answer will be, sir, multiply by 10. So 10 and 10, numerator and denominator. Okay, here by what number you have to multiply in denominator? It gets 10. So 1 because 10 is already here. So 1 and 1. So after multiplying you are getting 120, and here 10. Here 13 1 ja 13. So 13 right. and 10 1 are 10, so we have to write here 10. Now 10 and 10 become same, means like fraction, so you write 110 here and add here this and this, so 133. 133 upon 10 means this is the improper fraction. Now if you want to change into mixed number, so you can do by like this. So divide like this, and then you will get here 1 times 10, and then here 30, bring 3, it becomes 33, 10 3 is 30, and then subtract here and get here remainder 3. So 13 is quotient, so you have to write quotient as a whole number 13. 3 remainder 3 becomes numerator, and 10 never change because 10 already is denominator. So this is the answer. Now alternate method, from here you can do by shortcut method like this. Till here you can do, and after this if you want you can do also like this. So answer will be same. So again I am writing 12 upon 1, 13 upon 10. What is LCM of 1 and 10? So 10 is equal, 1 and 10 is 10. Now you write as it is, like draw a line and draw here, so write here 10. Now so 10 divided by 1, because here 10 is LCM and here denominator is 1, so 10 divided by 1 means 10, and 10 multiply by 12, okay, so 120. Now 10 divided by 10 means 1, and 1 multiply by 13, 13, and after adding this one you are getting 133 upon 10, means this is same. And now you can change here also, you get the same answer like this, same method, 13 whole number and 3 upon 10. So this is the answer also. I hope you have to understood my lecture. Thanks.